If you look at this trade very well, you will understand what I've been trying to explain, and you will understand some zones that I've marked and how that I expect price to come and take some actions in that zones. Anyway, if you are joining us, if you are joining this channel for the first time, you are welcome. This is your guy Michael, the selfless strategic trader. All right, guys, so when we started this week, I told us my intention, and told us my intention on trading GBP USD, and our weekend zoom analysis. We analyzed how that we expected price to reverse on GBP USD, and price did exactly what we expected this to do. So what are the analysis behind this thing? But before I go into the analysis, let's check how many pips are we. And if you are coming here for the first time, please let me get informed that on this channel we don't actually go for crumbs. Yeah, we don't go for crumbs, we go for bakery. We target bakery. Bakery is our target. So in this on this channel, we don't trade anything less than 100 pips. We used to focus and target 100 pips, at least 100 pips, so that we have rest of mind, and we know if we can be consistent in making 100 pips profit every day, it's going to be very easy for us to grow any small trading account, because on this channel we target 100 pips, and also we lay emphasis on growing small trading accounts, because we believe if you are able to trade to grow a small trading account, big trading account is not going to be hard for you to grow. Yeah, so if you cannot grow a small trading account, even if they gave you $100,000 account, if they give you $20,000 account, you are still going to blow it. So on this channel we focus on growing small trading accounts, so that we'll be able to grow big trading accounts, and because of that we target trades that are giving us high rewards with high pips, at least 100 pips. All right, so let us check how many pips we are right now. And if you are following, if you have not subscribed, please try and subscribe, like and comment on this video, from the top to the last upward movement, and that is 194 pips. So this trade now has moved 994 pips. So how are we able to get to 194 pips? Yeah, it's very simple. It's very simple. Actually, this is one of the trades that we expect to give us a clean analysis. So as you know that we always talk about liquidity levels, liquidity zones, and all that on this platform, and when we analyze this trade at the weekend, we also spoke about liquidity, and we talked about how we expected price to come and clear this liquidity on weekly time frame. And anytime price cleared liquidity, price will always go back to do a retest. Yes, so we saw this red candle. Behind this candle was the candle of last week before we analyzed the trade. So we discovered that the candle cleared liquidity, and we expected the candle to go back and do some retest, and that is what you are seeing now. And we also said something. Now this is for those of us that did not attend the Zoom class, and those of us that came late for the Zoom class. So apart from the fact that price took out liquidity, we also said something, that the liquidity level in this particular area produced the candle, the momentum that cleared this liquidity. So, and since then price has not really retested this area. Price has not really retested this area until this candle now came and retested it. So we believe that with what we saw on that weekly time frame, it's an opportunity for us to look for a way to trade the reversal. Yes, for an opportunity for us to trade the reversal. Yeah, even if we are going to continue selling, or if you are still going to hold the buy. At least we are trading based on what price presents to us per time. This is Thursday, and this is the trade that I've entered since Monday or Tuesday. Yes, because price, when it's new week, in a new week now, 4 hours always produce new week. If I use my period separator now, you will see how that all this area will show us the weekly candle, we show us the weekly chart. So if I want to do that, just like as I did just now, so I just press here. So once I press there, I will click on show period separators. So I will activate it and go back, and we can see from here to this place, that is 1 week. From here to this place, that is another week. So this is the new week, and we could say that from this place to this place was last week before we analyze this trade, and this is the price movement for this week so far. And if you remember very well, I told us the pairs that I'm going to be looking upon this week, that's GBP pairs, ZAR pairs, and what is it called, and SZD pairs. That any one of them that gives me an opportunity to enter the trade, then I'm going to enter the trade very well. And this is what we can see. So this week so far, we have gained, we started the week very well. For those that are in my mentorship class, you will understand what happened there, the liquidity pull that happened in this place. Yes, you will understand better how the price cleared this liquidity, and price also came to clear more liquidity before it now started going in our direction. Yes, those are part of the things we covered in the mentorship. And just the way I always tell us, look at what happened in this weekly in this 4 hours time frame. Look at this place. Price came to clear this liquidity here. When it came to clear this liquidity, it came back and retested the level that produced the momentum that cleared the liquidity. So when it retested the level, when it came back to retest the level, look at this spike. This spike alone is how many pips, please? From the top to the down. This price alone is 113 pips. 100 and what? 113 pips. So that is what price can do if price really wants to move. That is what price can do if price really wants to what? If price really wants to do its movement. Yeah, if price really wants to do its movement. So if you take your time to analyze the trade, if you take your time to learn how to analyze trade, it is going to be your own. It is going to be your own. When you start looking for signals, you want to look for signals, you want to start taking signals, take profits, see, to not see you will not understand. Those people that used to go after signal, I think they should be buying they should be buying Benz now. But that's not the case. That's actually not the main thing here. The main thing here is that you need knowledge. You need to acquire knowledge. You need to acquire skill in everything that you do. I cannot talk less about how much I desire someone taking your time to acquire knowledge. On our WhatsApp group, someone left the group. I approached the person, why did you leave the group? What happened? The person said, because I'm not seeing signals to take. I said, come on, you are not seeing signals to take? Oh, I said, sorry to disappoint you, I don't do signals. Yeah, sorry to disappoint you, I don't do signals. And if I start to do signal tomorrow, I'm doing signal because I need people that will take signal to pay for mentorship so that they can learn. That is the only thing that can make me to do signal tomorrow. So that is just it. So you should have you should be able to put in your effort to trade, put in your effort to learn. When you learn, it's going to become your own. It's going to become your own. It's going to become your own forever. I mean, forever and forever and forever. What makes you to come and subscribe to this channel, follow this video up, is because I've put in some effort and I'm able to show you some evidence. Yes, you've seen some confirmation that okay, this guy is legit, this guy knows what he is doing. The same thing with whatsoever thing you do, not only in trading. Put in more effort, learn, gain mastery. When you gain mastery, everything will become your own. Okay, my next video I'll be showing us more analysis on how we entered this trade, because I don't want this video to be long at all. I just want us to see how everything is going on with our GBP USD. All right, guys, this is your guy Michael, the selfless strategic trader. We are getting to weekend already, so your comment is going to be well appreciated, because it's going to determine if you are going to be able to join the Zoom class for this weekend analysis. All right, guys, take care. God bless. Bye bye. Only you, I know.